Got a cough that's driving you crazy? Before you reach for that cough syrup, listen up. That cozy cup of chamomile tea isn't just for bedtime, it's secretly a powerful cough fighter. Chamomile has some seriously cool properties. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help calm down that irritated throat and airways. Plus, it's a muscle relaxant, so it can ease the spasms that cause those annoying coughs. The real secret? Inhaling the steam while you sip. That warm, moist air can help loosen up mucus and make you feel better almost instantly. So next time a cough sneaks up on you, ditch the junk and brew some chamomile tea. It's an easy, natural way to find some relief.